Hi guys, this is Manish and today's video we're going to compare this MI Superpass Bluetooth headphones with this Realme Wireless Buds. Both these headphones has own its advantage and disadvantage. I've written down a couple of points where I feel that this headphone is lagging and this headphone is lagging as compared with this Realme Wireless headphones and with this MI Superpass Wireless headphones. So in this video, I'm going to compare it with both the headphones. I'm going to see at the same price range whether this headphone is much better or this headphone is much better. So without wasting time, let's just start it with the test. So as I told you in the beginning of the video that I'm going to compare this MI Superbass wireless headphones with this Realme wireless buds. Both has its own advantage and both disadvantage. One of the advantage or one of the disadvantage you can say for this Realme buds that is very of a slick size, and this maybe wireless headphones is sort of a bulky headphones as compared with this Realme headphones. So for that I give this a 1 point to the wireless Realme buds. Another thing which I showed you about is about the sound quality. The sound quality seems to be very much great as compared with this Realme buds. So over here I give a 1 point to this MI wireless headphones. Another thing which is one of the great thing is from the wireless headphones from the Realme is that it is like this, it will be plugged on, and if this like this it will be plugged off, and even from your phone from Bluetooth it will be disconnected. And similarly if you do like this with the connecting power, the wireless headphones from their phone will be connected into just a couple of seconds. It's not that case with this MI wireless headphones. Over here you are able to see that it has the power on and off button. So if you want to use it, you need to press the on button, and if you want to just not use it, you have to press the off button. This is one sort of a disadvantage which I feel is with this MI wireless headphones. So over here I give another point to this Realme wireless headphones. If you talk about the cancellation of the outside noise, I've used the both, and in the both the phones I've not been able to hear any sort of outside noise while listening to music. In both the headphones the music is very much great. The overall, if you want to say, the quality of the sound or the vocals is very much great into this MI wireless headphones as compared with the Realme headphones. Somewhere I felt that the vocals are not very much clear into the Realme headphones as compared with the MI headphones. So over here is just not any sort of a comparison. Overall I give another point to MI in the sound department as compared with the Realme headphones. So right now both the headphones are on to 2 and to 2. If I talk about any sort of problem to the ear, both the headphones doesn't have to be seen to have any sort of problem into the ear. And moreover I've used this more of a headphones over the ear, and this is into the ear, and both them seem to have any sort of problem into my ear. Even after the continuous listening to the music around 2 hours, I've not been able to feel any sort of problems into both the headphones. So again, here's a tie between both the headphones. But one thing, if you want to know about the battery life of this Realme headphones is around 12 hours, whereas the battery life of this MI headphones is around 20 hours. So moreover, if you're looking at the price range and the battery backup is very much great into the MI headphones as compared with this Realme headphones. So over here I give another point to the Realme headphones. Moreover, the more advantage which I feel about this MI wireless headphones is that if your battery runs out and if you have an aux cable, you can easily connect it over here with the help of an aux cable and can use it as a normal headphones. Whereas if your battery runs out in the Realme headphones, it doesn't seem to have any sort of option. You have to use your normal headphones or you need to get it charged. So again here a plus point from the MI wireless headphones. So let me just come down to another comparison. Both have your normal USB port charging point over here which you can able to see. So moreover this is again a tie, not type C charging point, and in both the headphones. So again here's a tie in the points, and moreover if you look at the point, so moreover if you have a price range of around 1800 rupees and you doesn't have any sort of problems with over the ear headphones, you should go for the MI wireless headphones, which again a great sound, a more battery backup, a good build as compared with the Realme wireless headphones. So if you like this comparison, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. This is Manish and I see you all in the next video.